Hello, hello, hello. Now you know this is a review video. Okay, so what that means is this is our 4.7 review video. It means you're about to take a test. But it's also a review video, which means we've worked on this enough that you should probably know this stuff. So here's how review videos go. You do the problems, compare your answers with what I get. See if you got the right answers. If you got the right answers, you're good to go. You know what you're doing, go on to the next problems. Do all of them. If you got them all, you know you're ready for the quiz. If you can do all these problems without any errors, but hey, if you catch errors, before you do anything else, look at it. If you can spot your error, fix it, make a note over here to the left of the things you have to make sure you do right. If you don't catch your errors, watch the extended video, take more notes, and write yourself notes on how to do those correct. Come to class if you still don't understand how to do these right. Come in, ask questions, be prepared. If you ask questions, we'll get you there. Come in after school. Come in at lunch. Make sure you're ready so this has a positive effect on your grade. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, here you go. Those are the answers. Okay, look it over. See, did you get, for this one, did you get 25, negative 25/16? Ask yourself, did you simplify? Remember, this could also be negative 1 and 9/16. Okay. Ask yourself, did you get 1 and 4/21 for this one? Or did you get 25/21? Because those are equivalent, right? On this one down here, did you get 3/2, which is equivalent to 1 and 1/2? And on this one here, did you get negative 5 and 34/35? Okay. If you did, awesome. If you didn't, you're going back and checking to see, did you make a mistake? Can you spot your mistake? That's what you're looking for. All you're looking for is, can you see, did you drop the negative? You better be writing over here on the left. Be careful, don't drop the negative. Did you not simplify a fraction? Do you still have tenths over here? If you do, then write yourself a note over here. You fulfilled Bernoulli's prophecy. Any one of those. Just help yourself. Remember, don't fulfill Bernoulli's prophecy. Don't do it. Okay? All right. So I'm going to do an extended video on this. But for those of you, so I'm going to do an extended version. So I'll have this, and then I'll make a separate one that's extended. You can just fast forward to the ones you don't understand. Okay? Okay, now do these 4 problems. Let's see if you know how to do these. Now look, since I'm going to have an extended video, it'll be an additional one. If you don't know how to do these, go watch the extent. If you didn't know what you did wrong here, go watch that so that when you come back and you do these, you can figure out if you're doing them right. Okay, go for it. Do these, hit pause, hit play when you're done. See if you got them right. You know, if all you're doing is copying, if you're just playing and then you copy down the answers, you won't know. The purpose of this is so you will know if you know what you're doing. So when you walk in that quiz, you've got confidence of, man, I did it. I know it. I can do this. Okay. Good luck. Hit pause. Okay, here you go. So this one should be negative 43.70 seconds. This one should be negative 61.36. Another name for that, which would also be written as negative 1 and 25.36. Now you got to be careful on this because I originally wrote down negative 1 and 35.36. So you got to be careful on that. Do your math over on the side, right? Okay. And then this one, of course, would be negative 1 and 5/24, which would be the same thing as negative 29/24. Okay. And then this one comes out to negative 2 and 29/60, right? Which is negative 149/60. If you rewrote that, negative 149/60, if you left it like that. Okay. All right. Again, if you got them wrong, if you got them right, those are hard problems, and you were careful. If you got them wrong, you're looking to see were you just not careful somewhere. Like over here when I got negative 1 and 35/36. Did you do something like that where you just needed to be more careful, right? All right. Hey, and if you catch a mistake of mine, bring it to class and bring it up. I mean, by time, if you're in one of the other classes besides B1, you're probably going to be the second person or third person to bring it up. But bring it up. Let's see if you catch any of my mistakes, because it is about being careful. Okay, so there you have it. If you did these correctly, if you can do these problems and these problems, then you have at least a B on the quiz. If you can do the story problems, you got an A. Okay? All right. So go to this. Hope you did well. If you didn't do well, you should be watching the extended video. Okay. Good luck.